Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cold start, no boil, homemade yogurt. I'll be using my Instant Pot Mini, but you can use any pressure cooker that has a yogurt function. I'll also be showing you how to use that yogurt to make this yummy breakfast banana split. No boil yogurt requires 2 ingredients, ultra pasteurized milk and plain Greek yogurt. I'm also adding sweetened condensed milk for flavor. First, I'm adding the sweetened condensed milk to my pot. If you're not flavoring your yogurt, obviously you would skip this step. Next, I'm adding in my Greek yogurt and I'm mixing those 2 ingredients together. Now I'm slowly adding in the milk. Once all of the ingredients are combined, it's time to close the pot and set the timer. You will not be cooking under pressure, so there's no need to seal it. Just hit the yogurt button, make sure it's on the normal setting, and set your time. Mine is 8 hours. The longer it sits, the more tart your yogurt will be. The Instant Pot will count up until it reaches 8 hours. Once it has reached 8 hours, it will say yogurt. Once the 8 hours is up, you have yogurt. Do not stir it though. Place it in the fridge to chill for at least 4 hours. After your yogurt has chilled in the fridge for 4 hours, you can use a yogurt strainer to make Greek yogurt. You pour your yogurt into the strainer and let it chill in the fridge for about 4 hours to drain. This will thicken up the yogurt to a Greek yogurt consistency. The liquid left behind is called the whey, and this can be used in baking, and you can even add it to protein shakes. You don't need to throw it away. Here's what the finished Greek yogurt looks like. Now let's make that breakfast banana split. First, you're going to peel a banana and split it in half. Next, you're going to add scoops of your homemade Greek yogurt. Next, top with some fresh berries. I'm using blueberries and strawberries. Next, I'm adding a sprinkle of my homemade granola. I'll have a link to that recipe in the description box. And finally, it's time for that slow motion honey drizzle. And there you have it, a fun twist on a healthy breakfast. I do hope you guys give this a try. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Be sure to share and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.